Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to increase or decrease volume using keyboard. So guys, if you play on any browser or any video player on your Windows system, so here guys you will see top line of keyboard some icon of speaker. So F1 you will see the speaker, it will make it silent. If you want to immediately silent in just one click, so just press F1 and F2 to decrease the volume, F3 to increase volume. So we can see these keys. So this is the use of these keys. Again F1 to silent, to make silent, and F2 to decrease volume, and F3 to increase volume. Thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.